Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐸𝐏𝐿 here. I'm so excited to be on this call because I help other affiliate. I said a call, but video. You know what I mean. I help affiliate marketers learn how to build profitable online businesses. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more conversions in your affiliate marketing business, which, if you don't know, conversions leads to sales because people actually pay attention and they're more likely to go deeper in your funnel. The deeper in your funnel that people go, the more likely they are to commit to a sale. All right, so I'm going to go over how to use a bridge page to help you in that journey, in your journey of affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how to put one together. All right. Now, before I get into that, make sure, of course, you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you can get notified anytime I do a training or also show people how to make money online. If you want to know more about how I make money online, check out beneath this video the information on how you can position yourself to make $250 plus commissions and position yourself to also earn from a system that I actually use to be able to grow my business. All right, so let's jump right into what a bridge page is and how you use it in your business. All right, so what a bridge page is essentially it's a short video page, typically, where you are giving a quick introduction or endorsement to the product, service, opportunity. So essentially, you're doing a quick video and then you're handing off the sales process to the sales page. So basically, all you are doing is you have a quick video. Typically, that video will be 3 minutes or less. You're just saying, "Hey, I'm so and so. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so excited for what you're going to see on the inside, and I'll see you on the inside, whatever it is you want them to know about, quickly, I'm so excited you're going to learn about this 100% instant commission program. Whatever it is you really want people to know, you're going to quickly say that in a short introduction video. And what it does is, because people are seeing you before they go to typically a company replicated sales page or a company webinar or whatever, now they're building connection with you instead of the company. You don't want people to do that. You want them throughout the whole sales process to see you. Okay, when people talk about branding, that's what branding really is. People overcomplicate. They think it's colors. They think it's logos. That's more brand identity. But branding is really putting you in the forefront of the sales process. That's all it is. Okay. So anyways, what that does is a bridge page. I'm going to show you how to create one. What it does is it sends only interested people to the sales page because they watch your quick video, and if they're interested, they're going to click the continue button, and that's a micro commitment. Okay, you don't want people to just jump into your sales funnel without a micro commitment. Micro commitments kind of get people to commit at every step in the sales process. Okay, so a bridge page will help with that. The second thing that a bridge page will help do is, I already talked about that. Your face is there. It's going to build a relationship early on because they're going to see your face. You, the brand, you, the coach, you, the person who's connecting them to this opportunity, you as the guide to guide them through that opportunity, product or service or whatever it is going to build a great relationship. And, you can tell them something specific in the video or useful about the product, service, or opportunity. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you my video, and then we're going to go ahead and put together an actual bridge page so you can see what it looks like. The next thing is it's going to, a bridge page helps with your conversions. Okay, your conversions are going to go through the roof. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then, people ask me how, am I able to get conversions? That is one of the secret sauces. So I'm exposing throughout these videos, secret sauces of little tips and tricks that I've learned to help with conversions. A lot of people say, oh, I'm not getting sales, but it's the little things that you do along the way, little subtle things like creating bridge pages and things like that, that will help you get more conversions. And these are the things that, are being taught in the communities that I'm in the Power Lead System and the Fearless Mama. They're teaching these things, but there's people out here who don't know these things. And that's why I say it's important to get around people who are actually showing you the know-how and not just selling you opportunity. Okay, so anyways, let's get into the video that I made. I made a video as a bridge to, here, let me go back. Hold on one second. So I made this video, quick video on my phone. You can download a variety of different phone apps. Just go download a phone app, record a video, or you could just use the regular recorder on your phone. I actually recorded this on my phone. And then I uploaded it to YouTube. Okay. And now I'm going to be able to insert this into my bridge page. This is a video where I basically just remember I said in here, I said, tell them, where was I? Hold on one second. Tell them, like, I don't know where I put it because my brain is like all over the place, but tell them like 1 or 2 things you want them to know about the product, service, or opportunity. Okay. So in this video that I'm about to show you, I'm actually doing that. I'm telling them why I'm excited for them to hop on. In this case, the bridge page that I'm creating is a webinar, but you could do this for, like, let's say you want to create a bridge page for an opportunity. You could literally create a video saying, hey, I'm so-and-so and so-and-so. I'm so glad that you're here. On the inside, you're going to learn about this, 100% instant commission program. I'm so excited for you to get on the inside and see people that are truly winning. See you on the inside. It could literally be that simple. You just need to introduce, like, kind of hand people off to the sales page. Okay, let's go into my actual video.
Hey there, my friends. 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. It's high in 5th grade, and I just woke up from a nap in the middle of the day. And I'm able to do that because I have the freedom to be able to do that. So I can look a hot mess. But that's not what I'm here to talk to you about, my friend. I'm here to give you a special invite to a call that's happening tonight that you need to be on, my friend. Okay? That call is where we are going to go over and show you what's happening in our community, how our people able to create $250 plus instant commission and build a profitable home business. Okay? And here's what I know. Okay, I know a few things. The ability to make a...
All right, I'm going to stop there. So, I just literally just introduced myself. I said, I'm Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸, and I told them what I was inviting them to, and I'm letting them know, what they're going to see on the inside. And then I'm going to fast forward to the end. Let me get to the end.
For another person, their level, all right? So don't just join another opportunity, my friend. Learn how to get skill sets that pay and be on this call. All right, so here's what you're going to do. Make sure that you're on this call a few minutes early, please, because this call will pack out. Be on this call a little bit early, and then after the call, reach out to me so I can help you get set up for success. I'm so excited to see you on the call. I'm excited for what you're going to hear, what you're going to learn, and I'll see you there. Bye, my friend.
All right, I wanted to fast forward to the end because what I like to do is, as I wrap up my video, tell them that I'm excited, because I am. I'm excited for whatever they're going to see on the other side. I'm excited for you to be on the inside or to see what's on the inside, because now I'm ensuring that they're going to go through the sales funnel, and I'm really telling them why I'm excited for them to see what's on the inside. I'm not telling them what's on the inside. I'm telling them that I'm excited for them to see what's on the inside. All right, so make sure that that's part of your video. Okay, so now let's talk about how to put together a bridge page. So I already told you that, I have a system that I use to be able to market my business. It allows me to do things like create high converting sales pages, high converting landing pages, bridge pages that help me get better conversions and helps brand and build know, like, and trust within my business. So I use the Power Lead system. You can come in as a gold member and go ahead and get started with the Power Lead system. And we have awesome training already in place for how to use the system and how to use it to market your business. And you can use this for any business. Now, and then of course there's training on marketing and things like that already included. You get a course called Endless Free Leads, which teaches you how to get like ridiculous amount of leads for free from social media, and a whole lot of other stuff. And then as you go into other levels, you can actually build a full-time income actually from the system that you're actually using to grow whatever your primary business is as well. So if you're with the Fearless Mama, if you're with, I don't know, 𝐕𝐳𝐦123 company, you could use this system and make commissions on your system, share it with other marketers who need a system just like you, and grow your business. Now let's jump into the bridge page. All right, now the Power Lead system, they already have bridge pages in place. So there's a template already there. What I do is go over to, websites, and I'm going to go down to copy web pages. My computer is slow, my friend, so don't judge me, okay? Copy web pages. Why is my nose running today? Okay. You want to make sure it says become a prospect for whatever you want. And then I have a lot of stuff in here because I built the Power Lead system. Okay. So I have stuff in here. But what you want to do when you come in here, you won't have this much stuff in here. You want to go down to shared choices, and you want to look for, I think it's called Jeff's. Hold on a second. Because one of the main owners of the system, oh, there it is. I almost skipped it. he's already put one in here. It's called Jeff's Bridge Page. Okay, he's already created a template for us. We don't have to put together like a bridge page or spend time doing like, you know, HTML and all that stuff like that. He's already done all that. All right, so you're going to look for a share code called Jeff's Bridge Page. I'm going to click copy this page. I'm going to scroll all the way down. Like, this is how literally how quick it is to be able to create the marketing materials you need for your business. And that's why it's important to have tools. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to name this Fearless Mama Webinar Invite, because that's what this I'm creating this bridge page for. And I'm going to call it I'm going to call it the same thing. Actually, I'm just going to call it Fearless Invite. Okay, that's what I'm going to call it. And this is just, the second line is just what they see when they click on it. And this is just for my, you know, my organization purposes. Okay, the next thing is you're going to, in the system, you'll already have bought a domain. I can create like endless subdomains. So I'm just going to call this Fearless, what in the world? What can I type? Fearless Invite, and then my domain. Okay. And then it's going to ask me, you know, this isn't actual, what do you call it? Why can't I talk today? This is not a actual capture page. This is an actual bridge page. So I'm going to uncheck. Actually, I'll leave that how it is. And then, let's see where it says add. No, I don't want to do any of that. All right. So I'm leaving everything as is, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save changes to web pages. Okay, and then here you can check whatever backgrounds you want. Like if if you want any of these backgrounds, you can like change them. For now, I'm gonna skip that, and I'm just gonna edit the actual text of the bridge page and add the video. Okay, so the bridge page actually has a nice black background. It's gonna say watch this video. The video will be here, and then it will say click here to continue. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and edit this video. I already made my video, of course, so I'm going to go up here to the search bar, and I'm going to scroll all the way over. Let me move myself down. Hold on one second so I can actually see. Okay, so I am going to copy. What you want to do, let me actually go up here. Hold on one second. Okay, I had to go up a little bit. So what you want to do is in the YouTube search bar, you want whatever is after the V. You're going to go ahead and select that. You don't need the whole like link for YouTube. You don't need it. Just that the letters that are after the V equals. Okay, I'm going to copy that. And what I'm going to do is go over to where it says iframe. I'm going to go right over here. And I'm going to scroll over to where I see a question mark. And I'm going to highlight up until right before it says embed. Okay. And I'm going to replace those letters with the, hold on, I want to make sure I leave the question mark there. I'm going to paste what I just copied, the little code. Okay. See a little code right there. That's my video code. Okay. Letting the system know that I want that video put in place. Okay, that's it. That's all I gotta do is just, you know, paste what was there. All right, now I hit OK, and the only thing I need to do is I can change where this button goes. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this button, and I want the button to go to a website, and let me delete that website. I want it to go to 𝐼𝐧𝐜𝐨𝐦𝐬movement.com, which is our actual webinar link. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK, and that's going to be that. So now that button is coded, and then only thing I'm going to do up here is instead of just making it say watch this video, I'm going to give them some more details. I'm going to let them know that's 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight, or Wednesday, I should say, because just in case they like read the video some other time or watch the video some other time, and I'm going to make that bold. And let's make it, well, that's way big. Let's make that like 36. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and hit save changes and go to the next step. And let's go on view your web page and let's just see how our bridge page looks. Okay, it's there. I realized I spelled invite wrong, but hey, it doesn't matter. It's the thought that counts. All right, so when they come to this page, it's branded to me and it just says watch this video Wednesday 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'll probably change that to say, instead of Wednesday, I'll make it say invite, you know, begin, or invite for Wednesday 9 p.m. Eastern Standard, whatever you want to say. Okay, and then they're going to be able to click on my video. It's a special invite to the webinar. I'm introducing them instead of just handing them off to a webinar where they don't know, they hop on it and they don't know why they should be on this call, you know, nothing, right? I'm giving them an introduction, and then when they click here to continue, okay, it's going to lead them to the Zoom, which the Zoom hasn't happened yet. So it says webinar has expired, but that's because the webinar isn't active right now. Okay, so that's that. They now have access to the webinar, and I created a bridge page to be the guide that leads them to the system, the webinar, the opportunity, or whatever it is. Bridge page, my friend. Make sure that you do that. And again, I have a system that allows me to quickly be able to create pages like this, where I can brand myself and show people that I'm their guide as they go through the process to connect them to the opportunity, the tool, the opportunity, the webinar, whatever it is I want them to do. I can create endless bridge pages to be able to be people's guide through whatever it is I need them or want them to be able to experience for themselves. All right, so that's it. Check out the section beneath this video. Best way to reach me is via phone, 585-484-7236. I'll see you, my friend, and also you can text me. All right, bye.